Starting the demo video for LPC 1768 development trainer kit. This is our LPC 1768 development trainer kit. In this trainer kit, you need to first connect the supply to 220 volts AC. Then after that, the next step is connecting this cable and connector. This is basically a serial to USB connector converter, and we have provided you with a serial to USB cable, basically USB cable. So this cable is connected on this port. By connecting it to UART0, we are establishing the communication between the kit and the PC. Now, the second most important part that you need to understand is in every ARM or LPC Philips trainer kit, for communicating the IC with the software FlashMagic, there is a very special procedure which I will show you now. So there are two main keys, reset and ISP. The same method which I am trying to tell you right now, it is also mentioned in the manual. So for communicating, what you have to do is you first have to press both reset and ISP at the same time. Then you will hear a beep, and then first you will release reset and then ISP. So this takes the IC in programming mode. So right now this is out of the programming mode. The buzzer is to indicate that it is in programming mode. So let me first show you how to communicate the kit and transfer the first program. We are going to open FlashMagic, which we have provided in the CD. And after that, make sure that the settings are as shown in the video. You have to select the IC as LPC 1768. COM port is with respect to the COM port you will be shown in the device manager. Baud rate will be 96, ISP will be none, oscillator 12 MHz, erase block used by hex file, and then verify after programming. So first go to browse. Then I have selected right now the program is keypad LCD. I'll change the program to 7 segment. So for that I'll go to 7 segment. I'll go to 7 segment.hex. I'll press now. Before pressing start, I need to press these two keys, ISP and reset. So though these keys are pressed, now I will press start. Pressing start, I will first release reset and then ISP. As soon as the connection is established, it will start programming and the progress will be shown on this bar. Once the program has been transferred, you can press the reset key. The buzzer will stop and the program will start running. So this is how you first communicate the kit with the PC and transfer the pre-made hex files from PC to kit. Now coming to the part of the content provided in the CD. Now I'll show you in the CD what we have provided. In the CD you will have the folder, this folder. In this you have the FlashMagic software which we have used just now. You have the USB driver which will be asked when we are going to the device driver, and then you have the LPC data. These are the manuals which we have provided, the connection manual, what is every connection that is being made here. The other manual is the keel manual, how to interface, how to start with keel. We have given a complete manual, step-wise procedure to make your first program from keel software. Then you have the LPC main board manual, in which you have the connections, the connector and the lines which are used in the program. And here is the part of the LPC code. Here all the codes and raw data is provided. Like for 7 segment, this is my main C file and this is the complete project file. If I want to access my C file, I can just go and open it in a notepad and I can see the C code for the 7 segment. Now coming to the device driver part. When you first communicate this with the kit, it may or might not take the drivers. So you will have to go to device manager. In every Windows PC there is a device manager. In the device manager you have to find for COM ports or missing COM ports or something here where the drivers are not entered. We to enter the driver, you just have, this one has already taken the driver. If there was no driver present, we would go to update driver, browse my computer for drivers, let me pick from available. I'll go to have disk, browse, and then I'll go to my folder which we have provided in the CD. I'll go to USB driver CP2102 and we can use this driver, or if this doesn't work you can use the x86 driver for the Windows. But for x86 there's no driver, but you can use the SI library serial.inf. So after that it will install, it will come here, and then you can update it next and update the driver. It will show you the number of the COM port and the same COM port number, like here it is COM17, the same COM port will be used in the Flash Magic. Here COM17, this one will be used. Now coming to the next part, that is the part where we have to install and run the program with Keel. So the software is getting downloaded. As soon as it gets downloaded, I'll make another video for the interfacing. Now one more recap before we end the video. We will go to the manual, and in this manual we have written the procedure for the reset and the ISP mode. You first have to press ISP switch. Next step, you have to press both the switches, then press the program button in Flash Magic. After that, release the reset switch first and then the ISP switch. It will come in programming mode and the program will be transferred to the IC.